making one of my favorite things to have almost every weekend. We're making some dunked wings, and we're also making some dunked cauliflower. I'm going to use some amasi, but you can use some buttermilk. I'm going to add some sriracha, but you can use whatever hot sauce you have. And I'm just going to give this a stir. Then I'm going to add just a little bit of some cake flour. In goes my cauliflower. And then you want to make sure that everything is nicely coated. And now step 2, in here is just some flour. Then one of my favorite spices, this 11-in-1 spice mix. It goes perfectly with almost anything. So I want to mix that in. So first, this was in our amasi mixture. It's going to go into our flour and spices, then back into our amasi mixture, then in our flour mixture again, and then we're going to deep fry. So I'm going to do this in batches because I don't ever want to overcrowd my pan. So now our fake wings, aka our cauliflower, is done. Let's start with our wings. In goes the wings first, and once this is done, it goes into our flour mixture. Let's get frying. So now both our cauliflower and wings are done. Now to take it to the next level, we are going to make the dunking sauce, sweet Indonesian soy sauce that I love from Woolies. And then a little bit of that honey. Give this a good mix. I'm gonna drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. Oh, that looks so perfect. I think I will start with the cauliflower. The most delicious cauliflower you will ever taste, ever. Also perfect. I think I'll have both.